Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Kiss Love Hair again. Same packaging as usual. We have the wig, and then I also got a robe. Okay, a pair of HD wig caps, a bonnet, an extra set of Invisistraps, because yes, today's wig is a 360 Invisistrap wig. I got a edge brush and comb. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a pearl scrunchie. I got this razor blade, great to cut your lace, the excess lace, a Kiss Love branded elastic headband, and I also got a pair of lashes, some lace tips, and this is a little Christmas themed hand mirror. This is so cute. That's everything in the package today. So let's get into the wig. This is today's wig. Very gorgeous. This is Kiss Love's ombre brown glueless water wave Invisistrap drawstring 360 lace front wig, and this is 24 inches long. All right, so this is very soft right off the bat. I can tell you guys that it's very soft. Oh my gosh, you see the lace front? That is plucked to perfection. And as I said, this wig is glueless. It comes pre-everything, like pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You know, it's really soft and silky. Look at that. That is gorgeous. As I say, it's a 13x4. There are 3 combs on the inside. The combs are removable, as you can see. Right, you just take that out, you can put it right back in. It's the same for the ones on the side. The strap is adjustable, and then you have the Invisistraps. This makes the installation and the whole look of everything very discreet and way more realistic. The back itself is plucked as well. It looks so natural. But yeah, so this is really like a very convenient construction or constructed wig, and I love that. You know, Kiss Love hair is gonna come through. But yeah, so that's how it looks. It's 24 inches long. I'm gonna put the specific density down below. So basically, when adjusting the Invisistrap, right, you just want to go ahead and basically take like the little like knobs and you just pull them. That one is to kind of secure it first, and this one is to like lock it in place. That's how it looks, and that's how you secure it. Super easy. So let's go ahead and you do this for both sides. This is the next side. I was just showing you guys. So let's go ahead and put this on. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove the excess lace in the front first before I do anything, because it does create more of a cast, and I'm just removing the area that has absolutely no hair. As you know, it's a glueless wig, and I'm just gonna go ahead to keep it in place. I'm just gonna use some spray, some lace bond spray, some melting spray. That's all I'm gonna use on the hairline. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna tie it down so it can get really nice and melted. I'm gonna let this melt down for so like a good 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the Invisistrap in the back, and then we're gonna get to styling this really cute. I think I want to do 2, you know, simple quick looks with this. So in the meantime, I'm gonna just let this melt down real nicely. It's minimal shedding, just to let you guys know. Remember, this is processed. I wish it was less shedding based on what I'm getting. This is all the hair I've gotten so far. I wish it was less shedding. It is processed, so I mean, understandable to a point, but I just wish it was still less. So what I'm gonna do is I want to do like, you know, 2 buns. I can't decide if I should do them high or low. I don't usually do 2 buns, you know, but yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think this is bleached so nicely. It looks just like scalp. That's so gorgeous. You can see there's some cast, so I'm just gonna tap that out. So this is how we're looking. Okay, the lace is giving what it's supposed to give. So what I'm gonna do is now adjust my Invisistrap. So the same thing I showed you guys, you want to just go ahead and do that. Take the first piece of knob and slip it to how tight or loose you need it to be, and just secure it with the next one, and then you tuck the extra piece away into the cap. So you just want to tuck that in, and then I do the next side. But I'm loving my effortless buns. They're like so cute. This bun is so effortless, like it's giving fun night out. Definitely the color, the way the bun is effortless and just big and fluffy. Yeah, it's giving fun night out. The hairline, and let's get into the back. Okay, very natural looking. Kiss Love hair, you did it again. You did it again. The only thing, as I said, I would prefer a little less shedding, but everything else feels really good. From the moment I pulled this wig out the bag, it was very silky, very soft. Despite it being processed and colored, it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Stunning. I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for a convenient 360 glueless Invisistrap wig, because I feel like the Invisistrap definitely, you know, enhances and gives that natural look in the back. So that's what we need. You don't have to go ahead and apply any adhesive in the back, no glue, no nothing like that. It's perfect. You know, as you can see, it's just, you know, yeah. So I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Everything will be listed. That is it for today's wig look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And if you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself, you know, it's New Year's that's approaching. Go ahead and check out the description box. Any deals, any sale, anything like that going on will be listed. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.